Let's talk about gold and what you should know if you're considering investing in it. Gold is often seen as a safe haven investment. It's used to protect against inflation or offset other market volatility. Personally, I don't invest in gold, but if you are considering investing in gold, the general guideline is to have no more than about 5 or 10% of the value in your portfolio be comprised of gold. Now, here's something really important to understand if you're considering investing in gold. If you invested $10,000 into gold 100 years ago, the value of that would be somewhere in between $200,000 to $250,000 in today's dollars. But if you invested that same $10,000 100 years ago into the S&P 500, that would be worth around $50 million, clearly a much higher return. Past performance is not indicative of future performance, but with that being said, stocks tend to pay dividends and they grow in value over time, whereas gold typically tends to hold its value over time. If you do want to invest in gold, there are two main ways to do so. One is to buy the physical gold itself, but if you do this, you of course need to keep it safe, and then there would be fees if you're going to pay for it to be stored somewhere under a lock and key. The second is to invest in a gold ETF like GLD. This is obviously not buying physical gold, but it tracks the value of gold. But one thing to also note with this is that the expense ratio is 0.4%, which is not necessarily super high, but it's also not very low. Gold can have space in your portfolio, but again, I wouldn't have the majority of my portfolio comprised with gold. And if it's something a lot of people are talking about now, there's usually a reason for it, and that could be pushing the current value up, and it could drop in the future as well. If you'd like help building a simple portfolio that fits your personal financial goals, go to yourfinancialteacher.com and book a call. I'm really happy to connect. If you found any value in this video whatsoever, I do ask that you consider liking it. And if you're not following, remember to follow Your Financial Teacher for more tips and tricks on saving and investing.